A 3.8% downturn is expected for Uniswap tomorrow, digital coin price reports. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Right now, Uniswap is showing a daily gain of 1.6% and sits close to $3.779. We now turn to the analyst predictions. CoinLore projects a price of $3.84 tomorrow, which amounts to a rise of around 1.6% from now. Traders Union puts Uniswap's target at $3.712, about 1.8% down from now. According to CoinCodex, it may head down toward $3.691, about 2.4% down. Another prediction from Digital Coin Price notes Uniswap may fall toward $3.636, an estimated move lower of 3.8%. And, in closing, 30 rate sees the price dipping to $3.563 by tomorrow, 5.7% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. That covers the expert calls. Let's move forward now. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decline of 5.7% to a rise of 1.6%. From this, we can see 30 rates holding the top forecast with 5.7% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $16 and $57 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to odds, CoinLore comes first with a 94.1% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. Based on the consensus view, Uniswap is likely to see a 2.4% decrease. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus expectation is for a decrease of 2.4%. Seen another way, your capital could also expand by 2.4%. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $24 in profit. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 91.4%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. CoinLore expects Uniswap to stay relatively flat in the coming days. Traders Union indicates that Uniswap could keep climbing. A bearish forecast is made by CoinCodex expecting losses. Additionally, Digital Coin Price points to further weakness. Likewise, 30 rate suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The consensus forecast highlights that Uniswap may face pressure to the downside over the 3-day period. Bringing the forecasts together, 80% of analysts expect Uniswap to soften. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Today, we'll see which ones matched reality. In the end, the final close was $3.659. Out of 5, only 2 ended up correct about the direction. Top result for precision went to 30 rates. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Only a single forecast matched the boundaries of yesterday's candle. And about ROI, a few profitable outcomes appeared, topped by Gov Capital Collector with 4.4%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. As for 30 rates, the data shows 1.9% ROI and accuracy. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. Now we'll look at the forecasted returns for tomorrow and where Uniswap fits among other cryptos. Tomorrow's leading asset is Arbitrum with 6.4% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Uniswap. In this section, Uniswap appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets and analyst accuracy data will soon go live on my site and Telegram. Subscribe now so you're the first to see how forecasts shift tomorrow. See you in the next cycle.